everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are at Disney Springs because we're gonna go have dinner over at Splitsville, and I've got my friend Annie and her mom Teresa, who's my bestie, and they came all the way from Gainesville to come hang out with me tonight. Not really, she's in a dance competition, but still, I'm gonna pretend like they came just for me. It's all good. So stick around, we're gonna go have some yummy food and we'll let you know if we like Splitsville or not. All right, so come stick around. We made it to Splitsville. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat, and I'll show you guys a little bit what's on the menu, and I guess we'll go from there. Just being a goofball.
Thank you. Let me know.
Somebody's being a goofball. Alright, so the nachos just came out. Yummy goodness. Alright, so the food just came in obviously massive portions, and look what we did to the nachos. We basically obliterated them. Andy got the same thing I did. Teresa got the bacon cheeseburger. And I got the buffalo chicken sandwich. This is my favorite thing to get here. Their ranch is amazing. So we're ready to tap out. We ate those nachos and like nobody can finish at all. Like, it was good. It's just we're stuffed to the absolute bread, and we got so much ranch.
I know, right?
So much ranch. All right, so we just finished at Splitsville. I love Splitsville. I think it's really good food. It is slightly pricey, but you get, like I said, you get a lot of food. What do you think, Annie? Did you like it?
I loved it. It was great.
They're taking their food home so that they can eat that for lunch tomorrow. What do you think, Teresa? Did you like it?
It was good.
Ugh. Yeah, we probably could have got away without getting the nachos, but I love their nachos. So
They were delicious. You guys should get them if you ever come here.
Yep. I don't know what we're gonna do next. I think we're just gonna like wander around and keep looking. So yeah, I think I might go in the candy store though. I got a sweet tooth. Wow, he's big, right? Oh no! Oh no!
If you want to get your food to put your things on the side, your bags in
I know, right? Looks good. Looking good. Looking really good.
All right, ladies.
Ready to get a picture?